In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Binance 2fa Google Authenticator. This process is crucial if you've lost access to your 2fa or if you've changed to a new phone. Ensuring your account security is of utmost importance, and resetting your 2fa can help you regain control and secure your Binance account. Let's walk through these steps one by one so you can confidently complete this process without any hitches. First, you'll need to open the Binance app on your device and log in. It's important to make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the smoothest experience. If you haven't logged in already, enter your credentials carefully. Once you're in, you'll notice your profile icon located typically at the top left or right corner of the screen depending on your device settings. Tap on this icon to access your account settings. After tapping the profile icon, you're going to see a few options. Make sure to select Security. This section is designed to keep your account safe and manage anything related to account access and privacy. It's where you find tools like updating passwords or managing which devices can access your account. Today we're going to focus on the 2FA settings. In the security section, locate and select 2FA, specifically for the Authenticator app. This is where your current Google Authenticator is set up. If you're having trouble finding it, remember it's under the section that handles all two-factor authentication services. Once you're in the 2FA menu, look for the option that says Reset or Lost Access. This is particularly useful if you've lost your device or need to reset your access for any other reason. Tapping on this will initiate the reset process, which will guide you through a series of on-screen instructions. Now, it's important to mention that you may be required to complete an ID verification step. Binance takes security very seriously, and verifying your identity is a crucial part of ensuring that the reset request is legitimate and secure. Make sure you have a valid ID ready, and simply follow any prompts that appear. They usually guide you pretty clearly through the necessary steps. Once your request is approved, you'll be able to set up a new Google Authenticator code. For this, you'll need the Google Authenticator app, so make sure it's installed on your device. Open the app and add a new account by scanning the QR code provided by Binance or entering the setup key manually. This step will generate a new code that synchronizes with your Binance account, restoring your 2FA access. And that's it, you've successfully reset your Binance 2FA with Google Authenticator. Doing so will enhance your account's security and give you peace of mind. If at any point you face issues, Binance support is available to help you. Thanks for watching and stay secure.